Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on OnePlus 11. And to do this we'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside find Firefox, hit the search button, select the app and click on install. When it's ready, you should be able to open it, then allow to send notifications. From here you can start customizing the browser. You can select a different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing and here we can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.